Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista and I'm really happy that you're here with me today. So today we're going to be opening box number 12 of our Advent calendar that we've been opening. Today is December the 12th and we need to find out what's in box number 12. So let's find it. Oh, found it. So I don't know if you've noticed a theme yet, but there seems to be a lot of markers and pencils, crayons, different types of markers, acrylic markers, etc. I'm okay with that. I think it's fun opening these all up, but I wish there was a little bit more variety of craft items in here. But you know what? It's all good. So here we go with our little apartment building box again. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Come on, there we go. Can you guess? All right, so these, okay, well these ones actually have a logo on them. LYJ, I'll show you that. LYJ. And these are pink and blue and they're highlighters. And again, it's got, oh, and they're double-sided. Interesting. There's a lot of, again, Japanese, Chinese writing on here that I can't read, but it has LYJ, which is a registered trademark. It says it's a highlighter, and they do have, well, numbers. I was going to say, I don't know. I thought they were maybe the color number, but they're both the same number on the same highlighters, but they're obviously two different colors. So I'm not sure. Maybe that's just for the highlighter. Who knows? So as I was saying, they have two different ends on them. This one is more of a writing pen, and this is more of a, has like a chiseled or a flat edge. So let's get our trusty notepad and open this. Oh wow, can you see how pointy that is? Interesting. So it flows nicely. It has, you know, a good stability to it. It doesn't just flop around, and you can actually get quite a, I would say, a fine tip to it. It's interesting. So, and then the other side, like I said, is like a chiseled end. It's a little bit bigger. And then that will allow you to do more of a mark with it. There's definitely a lot of liquid in there because there's still seems to be wet there. Very interesting. So let's just check out the pink. It's got the same ends on it, but I want to see what the color saturation, how pink it is. So I'm just going to color above here where the blue was. Can you see it? Nope. And then draw some lines. You know, you can see it for sure. So I just drew right above the blue. It is a bit fainter. It's not real bold or anything like that. And then again, the pink end. So we'll draw some lines. Yeah, the pink doesn't seem to be as wet. Doesn't seem to be have as much liquid as the blue one, but it still does its thing. Yeah, you know, I think they're kind of fun for sure, and I'm sure we can incorporate them into our project when we get around to it, right? So again, two highlighters, a pink and a blue, and we're going to add these into our stash of markers and different types of writing pens and tools and pencil crayons that we've been getting, and we will make a project out of it one of these days real soon. Thank you again for joining me here on Krista So Crafty. I really appreciate it. I have a Facebook page as well if you want to pop on over there. I show some different stuff on there, do a little different things on there. If you want, come join me. Thank you again for joining me, and happy crafting.